OpenAI has just gone into a 3-year deal with Disney worth $1 billion to license 200 plus characters for its Sora platform. Mike, why does this matter?
Well, I think that the Sora platform is looking for a bit of marketing at the moment. They sort of have been pipped at the post by Google and VO3 and some of the other models coming out, so they want to actually get back in the news. But secondly, this pivot to like a social platform where you're posting this AI slop. Well, not everyone might think that, but to be able to post Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse maybe wrestling an alligator or something like that, maybe there's some legs in that to get the brand of Disney back out there again. But it's interesting to know where this will go. I heard a perspective that once you license your characters, it's not very difficult for people in the dark web or people with nefarious uh, in, intent to take those characters and do all sorts of let's just say blue characters and all sorts of wild stuff. And it's very difficult in these LLMs to keep them under control, doing exactly the right thing. So this could go anywhere, and it's big money too. So I wonder whether it's a little bit marketing, a little bit hype, a little bit maybe things to come that we don't know about yet in this social media space. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going in here, which some of it not make sense. Maybe not all of it's revealed yet. What do you think?
One interesting part is that they were just Disney and Lucasfilm were just suing Google over this exact topic because some of the most popular videos that were being produced by VO 3.1 were the Stormtrooper Diaries. So check them out on YouTube if you haven't seen them; they're pretty funny, but apparently completely illegal because now you need licensing to do this. So this is going to become the new way that likenesses and characters and IP gets licensed for these creative areas. It's actually an interesting point that Disney didn't just take $1 billion; they took $1 billion worth of equity. So they've skin in the game now. They see which way the wind has turned, and they're getting in on the game with the capital asset that they have available to them. So I think it's actually a smart move from Disney. They could dig their heels in and potentially get you know uh, flown over by the wave of AI slop, or they could sort of jump on the surfboard. So we'll see how this ends up.
I wonder how many times one of the Disney executives are shuffling out to the mailbox to pick up a licensing check for Goofy or some of these sort of older characters that aren't so much in the news anymore. So maybe this is a way of reinvigorating their revenue for some of these characters that aren't as popular anymore. So watch this space, I think.
Need help with AI solutions? Click on the channel link.